Good day everyone. I am LJ Nicole Arvalo Apostol, a member from Group 5, and I am going to talk about the Region 10, which is the Northern Mindanao. So, what is really in the Northern Mindanao? So, Northern Mindanao is officially designated as Region 10, is an administrative region in the Philippines occupying the northern central section of Mindanao. It covers 5 provinces, namely Bukidnon, Camiguin, Lanao del Norte, Misamis Occidental, and Misamis Oriental, as well as 2 highly urbanized cities. The regional center is the city of Cagayan de Oro. So, there are a lot of ethnic languages in the region. So, the Bisaya, Boholano, and Cebuano are the major ones. But, there are native languages are still used like Higuanon in Misamis Oriental, Marinao in Lanao del Norte, Subanen in Misamis Occidental, Binukid in Bukidnon, of course, and Kinamigin in Camiguin. So English and Tagalog are also understood but not usually spoken in this region. So Northern Mindanao is a region rich in culture, which can be seen in their numerous festivals. One of the most popular festivals in the region is the Higalaay Festival in Cagayan de Oro City. They celebrate the feast day of Saint Augustine every 28th day of August. Another festival is Kaamulan Festival in Bukidnon. So it is an ethnic cultural festival wherein people allocate a relative amount of their time to remember the culture and traditions of the 7 ethnic tribes in their area. It also considered as a Thanksgiving festival to celebrate their bountiful harvest. So, moreover, another famous festival in the region is Lanzones Festival in Camiguin. So, famous na ang right? Famous na ang Lanzones Festival in Camiguin. So, it is a 4-day celebration of this fruit. So, it is held every 3rd week of October. It is essential to note that the sweetest lanzones can be found in the islands of Camiguin. So, originally from like Camiguin, Judaisha, no? Regularly celebrating different causes as one whole community shows that the citizens of Region 10 value camaraderie and friendship. So, the region's culture can also be seen in their establishments and churches. These include the Immaculate Conception Parish Church in Misamis Oriental, the Makapagal Makaraig Heritage House in Lanao del Norte, the General MacArthur Maker, and St. Augustine Cathedral in Cagayan de Oro. These places represent a glimpse of Northern Mindanao's history because the events that occurred in these locations molded Region 10 as what it is today. So, maot na ang hinungdan, kani nga mga place ang hinungdan nga makol ni ang Northern Mindanao as Region 10 as what it is today. So, dako sad siya og tabang. So, aside from the churches, there are also some of the famous foods in the region. This includes the binaki, a known delicacy in northern Mindanao, which was originally a homemade dessert in Bukidnon. It is a steamed cake made of grated young corn with powdered milk, baking powder, and sugar mixed with sounds like baki, which is the vernacular for frog. But it has nothing to do with frog. So, ngalan na jud niya, but it has nothing to do with frog. Walay any kuan nga frog na siya. The assumption to why this delicacy is called like that is maybe because the corn cake, when wrapped with corn husk, resembles frog legs. So, muna siya ang story behind why they called it binaki. So, not a literal baki. Alright. So, piñasitas. A pineapple-based product is one of the famous delicacies in Bukidnon, the pineapple capital, Asia, and food basket of Mindanao. So, Bukidnon daw is the pineapple capital of Asia. Wow. And food basket of Mindanao. No wonder why its emerging delicacies come from pineapple. However, aside from pineapple products, organic rice-based products such as cookies, barky rice, pop rice, chicha rice, and etc. are also getting popular in northern Mindanao. So, daghan kayo sila og delicacies. Lanzones of Camigen. So, ang lanzones is from Camigen. Is said to be the sweetest in the Philippines. So, lanzones is Camigen is known for its sweetest lanzones. Pastel is a Spanish term for cake. It is a mouth-watering delicacy from the paradise island of Camigen. These are soft, sweet bun filled with yema, made mostly of milk, eggs, and sugar. Today, it is available flavors as follow, like regular yema, ube, mango, makapuno, strawberry, chocolate, special yema, and assorted flavors. So, daghan na siya og flavor. So, Dudul Pudiay is the most popular rice-based delicacy in Lanao, particularly in the city of Baloy and Marawi, right? The places which have been touted as such as the Dodol country. It is often served in special occasions of Maranao, such as weddings, fiestas, and etc. It is made from sticky rice flour, coconut milk, and sugar. Others add durian to make it more delicious. So, if naata mga Bisaya, taga Cebu ug halang-halang. So, syempre naasad ang Mindanao. Halang-halang literally means from the word halang. Anghang. Is where chilies are the primary ingredients of this spicy soup dish. Chills as spring onions to suit one's taste and preferences. This is one of culinary adventure that is best experienced as food stalls and found all over the province. So, mo to siya about sa, what do you call this? The northern Mindanao. So, napudi ay sa Remember Me is a unique recipe that originated in Cagayan de Oro. It's composed of internal and reproductive organs or animals, specifically the test of cows and horses. This delicacy is said to us an aphrodisiac, making it extremely popular both to tourists and locals. So, as what I have mentioned earlier, na ay 5 ka provinces ang Northern Mindanao. So, we will talk about first the Bukidnon. It is a landlocked province, acclaimed as the Highland Paradise in the heart of Mindanao. It occupies the extensive plateaus in north-central Mindanao that is bounded on the east by Agusan Province, on the south and southeast by Davao Province, and the west and southwest of Lanao and Davao Province. So, Bukidnon has 20 municipalities and 2 cities. The total number of barangays is per province of 464. Congrats, guys. It is home of the world's biggest pineapple plantation, boasting a college course dating since the 1928. It is the bigger cattle producing, richest in biodiversity and economic species and flora and fauna. So Bukidnon, which is the fourth largest province in the Philippines, make us half a northern Mindanao. It has a sweeping amount of Mindanao, major producer of corn and rice. Those who would want to escape the metro's unbearable heat could visit the city and enjoy its cool climate, brought about by the fact that it is plateau about 900 meters above sea level, surrounded by a number of mountain ranges. So, moto siya ang sa Bukidnon. So, Camiguin is a small island province of the northern coast, Mindanao. In the section, Mambajaw is the capital of Camiguin. And Catarman is the second largest town in the island. So, sa pamanlain, Kandiman, Camiguin. Camiguin has 5 municipalities, total number of 58 barangays. Camiguin serves as the second smallest island in the Philippines, but only around 240 square kilometers of area, to the surprise of many. Within it, actually, hence Camiguin being known as the island born of fire. Much of the among the major products are coconut, cassava. Volcanic soil has provided a fertile soil while planting various. The province is also among the best abaca fibers producers, super deposits, geothermal energy, agricultural lands, and fishing grounds. Camiguin's natural attractions are definitely what keeps visitors coming. White Island, a sandbar, and Mantig Island are very good swimming, snorkeling, and diving. Additionally, for those who want to feel refreshed, cool waters in firms, boulders, and trees may have deep different springs as well. So, its temperature reaches up to 40 degrees Celsius because its water are heated by Mount Hibok-Hibok, an active volcano. So the second province that we will talk about is the Lanao del Norte. It is a strategically located in the northwestern part of Mindanao and is administratively part of Region 10 and Region 10 or Northern Mindanao region. It is located approximately also north, by proving Misamis Oriental, the west by the provinces of Misamis, and out on the south by Iliana Bay. So na ay 22 ka municipalities ang Lanao del Norte. Total number of barangays in the province is 462. The city of Iligan is commonly grouped with the province, although it is administratively independent due to distinction as highly urbanized. Maranao music is old yet affluent. It is poignant and feels of subdued emotions. The rhythm is eccentric, and such cadence fills customary gatherings in every Maranao activity. Some of the music Erika Gapor and Kulintang Kambayok, Kapangubing, and Kandarangin. Hindang pose. So, the Maranao traditional dance, like its music, is inspired by the Maramao epic tale Darangin. Shata Misamis. Lanao del Norte nasa siya gitawag og Dragon, Tinago Falls, Mimbalot Falls, Maria Cristina Falls, Limsudan Falls, and ako na lang ang mag-adto sa place po. So, what is in the Misamis Occidental is located near the narrow tip of the land, linking northwestern Mindanao to the north, a collapsible fan or loaf of American bread of the fourth Paneter in the alphabet. It is bounded on the northeast by the Mindanao Sea. So, Misamis Occidental has 14 municipalities and 3 cities. Total number of barangays in the province is 490. 490. So, we will talk about the Misamis Occidental. It is located near the narrow strip of land linking northwestern Mindanao to the north central part of the island, shaped like a collapsible fan or loaf of American bread, or the fourth Little Paneter, northeast by the Mindanao Sea, east by the Iligan Bay, southeast by the Pangil Bay, and the west by the Zamboanga del Norte and Sur. The fact that 3 of its boundaries are bodies of waters gives away water life as one of its natural resources and findings as one of the main boundaries. So, Misamis Occidental has 14 municipalities and 3 cities. The total number of barangays in the province is, guess, 490. The name Misamis is believed to have been derived from the Subano word kuyamis, which is variety or sweet coconut, the staple food of settlers in this place during the 4 years. Sure. So, friendly activities in this area. Visitors may opt to visit a mini zoo located within the Hangover Paris at the Misamis Occidental Aquamarine Park. Moreover, a variety of mangrove trees and a couple of endangered species may be located by Balyanga Wetland Park as well. In line with these people have option to check out a man-made sanctuary for rescued dolphins called Dolphin Island. There's also Lake Dominagat, a castor lake that was formed by volcanic eruptions. It is famous because it supposedly has powers that may heal the people who decide to take dip in it. Misamis Occidental is worth going to make resides the fact that this place picture, because it is rich in natural resources. It is also a mix of different cultures and Spanish influence. So the last the last province that we will talk about is the Misamis Oriental. So what is in the Misamis Oriental? The province has a land area of 3,131.52 square kilometers, or 1,209 square miles. Its population, as determined by the 2015 census, was 888,509. This represented 18% and 95% more total population of the overall population of the Mindanao Island Group. over 0.88 of the population of the Philippines. Misamis Oriental has 23 municipalities and 2 cities. The total number of barangays in the province is 424. The size of Cagayan de Oro serves the provincial capital, although it is administratively independent due to its distinction as a highly urbanized cities. Misamis Occidental. So in the Misamis Occidental, guys, Misamis has 14 municipalities and 3 cities with 490 barangays. So in this, we will talk about the 9 original towns in Misamis Occidental, which are the Balyangao, Lopez Jaina, Tudela, Clarin, Plaridel, Oroquita, Aloran, Jimenez, Misamis. So that are our original time kanina. So there is also this what we called mini zoo. This located within a mangrove forest at the Misamis So visitors may optionally to visit a mini zoo located within a mangrove forest at the Misamis Occidental Aquamarine Park. Species may be located in Balangao Wetland Park as well, in line with these rescued dolphins called Dolphin Island. There's now also Lake Duminagad, a crater lake that was formed by volcanic eruptions. It is formed because supposedly has power all by many hills that we decide and what to dip in it. Misamis Occidental is worth going because besides the fact that this place is pictured because of its rich and natural Most Cagayan de Oro rafting companies pick people in the city center. If it's a large group, they may be picked up. The location at their choice of rafting starts at Barangay Dansolihon, which is 20 kilometers from the city center. Starting from this point, travelers will get to pass by the Lumbia Airport and the Machambus Cave, which denying that Mispo was used by family Filipino during the Second World War. There is no denying that Misamis Oriental is absolutely rich in cultural resources, both underwater and on land. So, grabe ka dato ang kaning si Dansulihon, which is 20 kilometers. So, that was all about the Region 10, and thank you for listening. So, we will move forward to our next reporter, and hope you enjoyed. Thank you.